Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word expenses. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. She kept track of all her expenses in a spreadsheet to stay within her budget. Expenses refer to the money spent or costs incurred in order to carry out a specific activity, maintain a lifestyle, or run a business or household efficiently. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.